Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited to be unboxing this VideoMicro 2 microphone. If you watched my previous video about Sony camera cage, you will notice that I didn't use any external microphone. I'll leave a link here. And I just relied on a built-in microphone of the Sony ZV-1 camera. Unfortunately, the sound quality was terrible. I had to yell into the camera. Easier, I bought a Sony ZV-1 camera cage. Check this one. And you couldn't enjoy the sound as much as I wanted you to. That's why I'm upgrading this microphone. What's the name of this one? VideoMicro 2. I hope this one is better than the built-in microphone of this camera. I love the design of helix mount. It's more stable and it cannot shaky like the previous version. I compared those two and VideoMicro Go 2. The sound quality are similar. Let's get to the unboxing. The microphone itself, and this is the windshield. Here there is a little note here, number 2. I don't know what does that mean. Is this the second microphone was released to the market? Wow, that's amazing. And then we have what's this? The cat. I can connect it here, and then I can connect the microphone. I will check this sound quality later. And this one is the TRS. I hope you enjoy watching this unboxing video. If you want to know more about this microphone, please subscribe, and I'm going to do more tests. And from now on, I'm going to use this microphone to record videos. So all the videos, sound quality, you can test. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and updates with my experiences with this microphone. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Next time. Peace. This is the Rode microphone. What's the name of this one?